nag-live bigla.
This morning, we gathered to honor the dedication, perseverance, and achievements of our graduating students as they embark on a new chapter in their lives. They have dedicated countless hours to learning, studying, and honing their skills in pursuit of a career in the field of criminal justice. To deliver his welcome remarks, may I call the very dedicated and hardworking Vice President for the Academic Affairs, Dr. William D.C. Enrique.
To our City Mayor and Chairman of the Board of Regents, Honorable G.E. N. Sandoval, to our University President, Dr. Glenn T.V. De Leon, College Dean, Deans, the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Francis Melvin Matensio, Consihal Leslie Abab, our guests, to our parents, guardians who are here this morning, and of course to our dear students students. To be exact, we have 112 fourth-year students. Tama ba? Okay. May I request the fourth-year students to please stand up to be recognized. Although later you will go on stage. So, kamusta naman kayo? Ano nararamdaman niyo? Kinakabahan ba kayo? Hindi naman. Okay. Sa kaliwa niyo, nakaupo ang inyong guardian at ang inyong magulang. Tama ba? Okay. So, harap kayo sa kanila. Ayan. Huwag kayo umiyak. Hindi pa to assurance na kayo ay gagraduate. Kasi may intern pa, di ba? Ayan. Sa mga magulang naman at mga guardian, maaari po ba kayong tumayo? Welcome po sa CMU. At sa inyong kanan naman po, nandyan ang inyong mga anak. Pwede po humarap din kayo. Ayan. Parating sinasabi ng aming butihing mayora na ang mga estudyante ng CMU ay mga gwapo at magaganda. Naniniwala po ba kayo doon, mga magulang? Kasi naniniwala ang aming mayora na gwapo at magaganda ang aming mga estudyante at sila ay hindi nangongopya. Sila ay matatalino. So, mga magulang, mga guardian ng aming estudyante, nasa harapan niyo po ang mga susunod na maglilingkod sa ating bayan. So sa mga estudyante, pakipalakpakan niyo naman ang inyong guardian, mga magulang. At dahil dyan, i-request ko yung mga students na lapitan niyo yung magulang niyo at guardian niyo at sabihin niyo, maraming salamat at malapit na po akong matapos sa aking 4th year college. Sige, lumapit muna kayo. Pakilapitan niyo yung magulang niyo, guardian. Walang iyakan, ha? Pwede niyo yakapin, pero walang iyak. Ayan po mga magulang, lumalapit po sa inyo ang mga ganda at gwapo niyong mga anak na nagmula po sa inyo. O baka nandiyan yung kapatid niyo, kuya niyo, ate niyo, magpasalamat kayo. Ayan. Sige po. Okay? Sige. Maupo na. Magsaupo na po tayo. Ayan. So masaya na ang aming mga estudyante kasi nagpasalamat na sila sa kanilang magulang. Sabi ko nga po, this is not an assurance that your child will graduate this coming July. Alam niyo po, ang graduation namin, initially ang plano namin ay gagawin sa PICC. Kaya lahat po kayo ay invited. Umattend po kayo. Okay. Pag nagbago po yung venue, inform po namin kayo ulit. Pero ang plano po namin, siyempre, para mas exciting yung event, ay gaganapin sa PICC. Tuntua po yung mga anak nyo. Sana po umabot sila doon. Okay. Kayanin nila yan. So this morning, I'd like to welcome you to this significant and momentous occasion of the College of Criminal Justice Education's first pinning and candle lighting ceremony with the theme, From Classroom to Career, the Journey
begins. Today, we gather to celebrate a milestone, not just in your academic journey, but also in your life's greater mission to serve justice, uphold the rule of law, and contribute meaningfully to society. This ceremony signifies your transition from being learners from first year to third year within the four walls of our university and inside the classroom to become future professionals who will stand at the forefront of criminal justice and public service. The pin you will wear is more than just a symbol. It represents your commitment to integrity, honor, and the ethical principles that define the field you have chosen. The light of the candle you will hold embodies the promise to be a beacon of hope and truth in a world that greatly needs your guidance and service. As you begin this journey from classroom to career, remember that this path will demand resilience, courage, and unwavering dedication. You are not merely studying for a career. You are preparing for a calling. One that requires you to be pillars of justice and agents of positive change in your communities. To the families, to the parents, loved ones who are here today, thank you for unyielding support and encouragement for these aspiring leaders. Your belief to their abilities strengthens them to strive for excellence. To our faculty and mentors from the College of CCJE, your commitment to nurturing and molding these students into complete and ethical professionals is invaluable. Let this ceremony serve as a testament to your hard work and dedication. And of course, to our fourth-year students, this is your day, a day to reflect on the strides you've made and the road ahead. Take pride in this moment and make it inspire you to walk this journey with confidence, integrity, and purpose. Once again, welcome to this remarkable celebration. Let us all take this moment to witness, honor, and support the beginning of this journey as you step closer to fulfilling your dreams and making a difference in your field. Congratulations to all, and may this day mark the first of many achievements in your promising future. Thank you at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Dr. William, for your welcome remarks. And next, to give her inspirational message, may I call Councilor Leslie Yampao.
Good morning! Siyempre, sa mga magulang, sabi nga kanina, di ba, mga gwapo at magagandang estudyante ng CMU. Pero kanino kayo nagmana? Sa gwapo at magagandang magulang din. Siyempre, ako, Dr. Glenn De Leon, na ating President, kay Dr. William, na ating Vice President, at siyempre, sa ating Dean ng Criminal Justice, si Dr. Marquez. Ayan po. Siyempre sa ating mayor, darating po ang ating mayor, na talaga naman pong napakalaki ng suporta sa ating mga estudyante, sa magulang, at hindi lang naman sa education, kundi sa lahat po ng larangan. Nandito po ako para ipakita po ang suporta sa, in behalf ng Pamahalang Lungsod ng Malabon, siyempre ng mga konsehal na kasama ko, na kilala niyo ba ang Team Kakampi? Yan po, kami po ang Team Kakampi. At siyempre, para ipaalala po sa ating mga estudyante na kayo ay scholar ng bayan ng Malabon. Tama? Ipagmamalaki namin kayo dahil natutuwa kami sa achievement. Siyempre, congratulations sa mga magulang. Isang hakbang na lang po, graduate na sila. At kayo mga anak, sana sa chosen field ninyo, kung saan nyo mang gusto, ipagmalaki ninyo, gawin nyo yung maganda, ipakita nyo talagang kayo ay matitino, may integridad, masipag, na talagang ipagmamalaki na tiga Malabon. Itaas nyo ang bandila ng Malabon kung saan man kayo mapunta. Dahil kami po, proud kami sa inyo. Scholar kayo, wala po kaming hinihingi kapalit, kundi ipagmalaki kayo, ipakita ninyo na talagang karapat-dapat kayo. At pass forward. Kung ano man yung makuha nyo, ma-achieve nyo, matuto tayong tumulong sa ibang tao. Yan lang po ang hinihingi namin. Ipasa ninyo yung mga biyayang natanggap ninyo kasi malaki pong pagpapala ang maibabalik sa inyo nun. Tandaan ninyo, no man is an island. Ibig sabihin, wala sa inyong darating sa pinapupuntahan ninyo na mag-isa. Lagi kayong may kasama. Isa dyan ang mga magulang ninyo. Tama? Yung iba, yung mga kaibigan nyo, nakaramay ninyo sa hirap ng pag-aaral, sa problema, nakalagpas kayo dahil sa mga kasama ninyo. At syempre, pasalamat kayo sa CMU. Palakpakan naman ninyo sila. Dahil kung wala sila, may hirapan tayo. Dahil sa ngayon, pinagmamalaki natin na malaki ang percentage na pumapasa galing sa CMU. Next year, or tama po ba ma'am? June or July? Sino kukuha ng exam sa inyo? Itong year na to. Next year. Ba't konti? Yung iba ayaw niyo kumuha ng exam? Laban lang ng laban. Huwag kayong matakot. Sino may gusto this year? Para fresh pa. Sino next year? February. Alam nyo, pag nakatap kayo. Alam nyo, di ba? Magkano makukuha ng nakatap? Magkano? Tanong natin, magkano?
500,000 pesos.
See? 1 or 10, kahit saan doon, miski hindi 1, miski 10, makakakuha kayo. Kaya sana pagbutihin ninyo at lagi niyong tatandaan, nasa Diyos ang awa. Siyempre kami sa Pamahalang Lungsod ng Malabon, nakita niyo naman ang suporta ni Mayor sa inyo. Nakita niyo ang suporta ng buong government ng Malabon, kasama na po ang ating mga ang ating mga empleyado, ang ating mga presidente, mga opisyal ng CMU po. Kaya sa muli po, congratulations sa mga magulang. Palakpakan nyo naman ng magulang. At syempre mga magulang, palakpakan din natin ang ating mga anak dahil alam natin napakahirap mag-aral ngayon. Hangad po namin sa Pamahalang Lungsod ng Malabon ang success ninyo. Tandaan nyo, pinagmamalaki kayo, kaya huwag nyo sisirain ang pangalan ng eskwelahan ninyo, ang pangalan ninyo, dahil mahirap makarating sa karoroonan kung meron tayong hindi ginawang maganda. Sa muli, congratulations at mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for the very inspiring message. And now to also give his inspirational message, may we call on our University President, Dr. Glenn D.V. De Leon. Sir.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning.
to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. William Enrique, to our very hardworking Councilor Leslie Yambao, to our University Secretary, Dr. Ali Agustin, who is now sitting at the back, our Dean, Dr. Melly Martesio, to our beloved students, criminology students, and of course, the proud guardians and parents, good morning. So, parang kailan lang, no, pumasok kayo ng CMU. Tama ba? And now, you are almost there. So, one semester away from graduation. But of course, you have to finish this semester, your last and final semester at City of Malabon University. Para po sa kaalaman ng ating mga magulang, guardian, ako rin po ay nagtapos sa City of Malabon University. Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Kung wala pong CMU, wala po ako ngayon, no? Dito sa harapan ninyo. And then I also finished my master's at City of Malabon University. Yun lang, yung PhD, doctoral degree ko is from La Salle Araneta, de La Salle Araneta University. And I'm also one of the scholars of Congressman Ricky Sandoval from 1996 up to year 2000. So, kaya mga students, huwag matakot sa board exam. Wala sa name ng school yan. Okay? Ako nakapasa ako sa Certified Public Accountant Board Examination. And ang carry kong banner is City of Malabon University. Okay? So, huwag niyong isipin hindi kayo prepared, ha? Hindi kayo ready. Yung recent board examination for criminology, mataas yung ating passing percentage. So it means you have the greater chance of making it. Okay? So lahat kayo magtitake ng board exam. Malinaw? And just let us know, no, how can we help you? Our team naman is here. She knew, no, very well what your needs are. Okay? But of course, no, aside from the knowledge and others, there are still other needs, no, that we may not know. Kaya sabihin lang kay Dean ano yung kailangan nyo pa na ipoprovide ng ating administrators. No? Siyempre, our mayor naman is very supportive. Our city administrator, Dr. Alex Rosente, no, is also very supportive. Our councilors, so, nandyan lang po sila. Okay? Sige, so today as you stand on the precipice of a new chapter, but in the soft glow of candlelight and the weight of your pen, you are not merely celebrating an accomplishment, you are embarking on a journey. This pinning and candle lighting ceremony is more than a formal rite of passage. It is a symbolic representation of the commitment, dedication, and unwavering resolve you have cultivated throughout your years at the City of Malabon University. Your journey through the criminology program has been rigorous, demanding not only academic excellence, but also the development of crucial ethical consideration and a profound understanding of justice. You have spent countless hours studying, analyzing case studies, and engaging in simulations, preparing yourselves for the complex realities you will encounter in the field. And we badly needed you in the future, especially now that we are seeing mga maraming nagkalat na criminals. Okay? So, we want to see you carrying the flag of City of Malabon University na when you become major, colonel, general. Okay? So that that's our ambition, no? For all of you. And we hope that's also your goal, no? And dreams. On-the-job training is not merely a period of practical application. It is a crucible where theory meets reality. You will confront situations that demand quick thinking, sound judgment, and unwavering integrity. You will witness the complexities of human nature, the fragility of justice, and the weight of responsibility that comes with upholding the law. This experience will undoubtedly test your mettle, challenge your assumptions, and push you to the limits of your abilities. But remember, the light you carry with you, kindled today, will illuminate your way. Remember the lessons you have learned, the values you have embraced, and the unwavering commitment to justice that has brought to you this point. Let your compassion guide your actions, your integrity inform your decisions, and your dedications inspire your work. As you step into the world of practical law enforcement, remember that you are not alone. Your professors, your mentors, your fellow students, and the entire CMU community stand behind you, offering their unwavering support and guidance. We are immensely proud of your achievements and have complete faith in your ability to make positive impact on your community. So go forth, our students, with your hearts ablaze with the light of justice and your minds sharp with the knowledge you have gained. Let your journey be a testament to the dedication and commitment you have shown, and may your path always be illuminated by the light you carry within. Congratulations, no? And good morning.
Thank you po, Dr. Glenn De Leon.
And now we would like to acknowledge the presence of Councilor Jerry Bernardo. Good morning, sir. And to also give his inspirational message, may we call on Councilor Jerry Bernardo.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Sa aking mga parents na dito, sa mga magulang sa ating nag-graduate na sa senator. Sa senator, congratulations sa inyo. Congratulations sa ating mga magulang. Marami sila makatapos sigurado. Bawasan yung ating mga konting problema. Tatapos na yung ating mga gastos. Yan naman natin ang pag-aaral na ating mga anak. Kaya maraming gastos. At abogasiyahan sa ating mga magulang ang makita natin na ating mga anak na makatapos na ng kanilang pag-aaral. Congratulations ko sa mga nanay, bata. At sa ating binabati ko po ang ating University President, Dr. Glenn De Leon, yung nabati ko. Kay Dr. William D.C., Vice President for Academic Affairs. Magandang umaga po. Kay Dr. Francis Mendy Malvicio, Dean of CCTE. Muli po, sa ating pong mga batang nag-graduate ng pagkapolis, alam naman natin na medyo ang nakuha niyong puso, masaya. Pero siyempre, alam naman natin na marami kayong mga sasagupang mga masamang elemento. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, magiging kayo mabuti sa pagkatrabaho nyo. At alam naman natin na ang mga servisyo publiko ay maraming naakibat na sa peligro o posible mangyari. Kaya masasabi ko, ating mga batang pulis na magiging kayo mabuti sa inyong gagawing trabaho. Muli, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. At congratulations po sa mga parents at sa mga batang magtatapos ngayon ng ating mga pagkapulis. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much po. Thank you for your very inspiring messages. Before we move on to the meaning proper, please allow me to read the meaning of their class name. Class Masidlak is the graduating class this year, 2025. Masidlak means mandirigmang sumisibol ng may integridad, dignidad, lakas at katatagan. In English, warriors knowing with integrity, dignity, strength, and resilience. Ngayon ma'am, isa-isahin natin ang meaning ng mga nakalagay, yung mga symbols sa kanilang meaning. Sige ma'am, unahin ko na po.
The Lawren symbolizes achievement and honor, representing the pursuit of excellence and justice in criminology.
The second one is shield, represents protection and defense, highlighting the role of criminologists in safeguarding society.
Next is the sun, denotes enlightenment and knowledge, reflecting the continuous quest for understanding and illuminating the truth in criminal justice.
The fourth one is weighted scale, symbolizes balance and fairness, embodying the principles of justice and the impartiality required in criminological practices.
Next is the torch, represents enlightenment and guidance, signifying a commitment to uncovering the truth and leading with integrity.
And the last one is book, denotes knowledge and education, emphasizing the importance of research, learning, and scholarly contributions to the field of criminology.
The pinning ceremony is a time-honored tradition for the Bachelor of Science in Criminology students who undergo on-the-job training, which is the last phase of their academic journey. We invite our official to grace the pinning ceremony.
And hold the list of name of the fourth-year students. Kapag tinawag po tayo, pupunta po tayo. So,
Our first student, Abin Steve. Next, Academia Cristel. Agaw Jolo Jose. Alipar Panelo. Alvarez Christian.
Chay. Dito ka dapat. Dito ka. Dito nga, nandito ka. Nandito kami.
smile. Okay, let's proceed to the next student. Angoluan Reynard. Ariban Mark Smith. Arizada Janelle Allison. Patube Edward. And Ballesteros Alicia Lane.
Magandang umaga CMU community. Ako po, si Chris Chantatel ng CMU iConnect at narito po tayo sa kalagitnaan ng kauna-unang pinning at candle lighting ceremony ng CCJE para sa mga 4th year criminology student na sasabak sa on-the-job training at internship. Kung susumahin, sa kasalukuyan mahigit 112 students ang dumalo at makakatanggap ng pin na ipapamahagi ng ating pamantasan. Ang seremonyang ito ay isa sa mahalagang bahagi ng paglalakbay ng mga criminology students na sumisimbolo sa kanilang pagharap sa totoong mundo bilang isang mga criminologist.
Hermonde Mark Yuan and Berniska Shen.
Okay, congratulations. Let's proceed to Boco Marlon, Pondo Juan Miguel, Book Ryan J, Brizuela Jervin, and Buenaventura J.
And to continue, Cabato Regil Kent, Calixto Emmanuel, Caliedo Sargento, Camacho Mark Christian, and Cano Roniel, and Caraballe John Efren.
Next, Casper Raniel, Centilias Shara Lee, Chua Vincent, Shano Oliver, and Corbin Carl Bryan.
And next, Corpin Jomari, Crisostomo Rico Jan, Cruz Ashley Nicole. Kulangan John Joseph. And Kusipag John Paul.
Okay, next po tayo. De Guzman Nazari.
Before we continue, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Congressman Federico Ricky Sandoval. Good morning po.
De la Cruz Angela. De la Cruz Gerald. And De Los Santos Leslie May. Okay, standby po muna tayo. Okay, let's proceed. To give his inspirational message. Okay, to give his inspirational message, may I call on our Congressman and the Chairman of Red Cross Malabon Chapter. Please welcome Congressman Federico Ricky Sandoval.
Sa ating University President, Dr. Glenn, sa kay Konsehala Leslie Amba, Konsehala Jerry Bernardo, Dr. William Enrique, Vice President for Academic Affairs, and Dr. Francis Medlin Martesio, Dean of Criminology sa lahat ng ating mga criminology students, sa lahat ng ating mga magulang na narito, sa lahat ng ating mga bisita. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalan na maging bahagi ng napakahalagang okasyon na ito, ang candle lighting ceremony at pinning ng ating mga criminology student. Ang seremonyang ito ay hindi lamang simpleng pagtitiyab ng kandila. Ito ay sinusimbolo sa liwanag ng pag-asa, init ng layunin at ningning ng serbisyong nilaan ninyo para sa inyong piniling propesyon. Kaya hawak ninyo ang kandila, tandaan na hindi lamang liwanag sa kwartong ito ang inyong dala. Kayo ang nagbibigay ng liwanag sa landas ng hinaharap. Isang hinaharap kung saan kayo ay magiging tagapagtanggol ng kapayapaan, hustisya at katotohanan. Ang kandila ay sa inyong mga kamay ay hindi higit pa sa simpleng bagay. Ito ay simbolo ng tiwala na binibigay sa inyo ng lipunan, ng tibay ng inyong loob at ng malaking responsibilidad na inyong haharapin. Ipinapaalala nito ang marangal na papel na napili ninyo. Maging tagapagtanggol ng mga naapi, tagapagpalaga ng batas, at tagapagpatuyod ng katotohanan. Naway magsilbing paalala rin ng apoy na ito sa inyong sariling paglalakbay. Ang bawat isa sa inyo ay may kwento. Ang inyong mga sakripisyo, pagsisikap at pangarap ang nagdala sa inyo sa puntong ito. Hindi biro ang pagpasok sa larangan ito. At ang seremonyang ito ay patunay ng inyong determinasyon at kahandaan na harapin ang hamon ng propesyon. Bilang mga mag-aaral ng kriminolohiya, kayo ay magiging ilaw sa mga madilim na lugar ng ating lipunan. Kayo ang magpapanday ng katurungan, maghahatid ng kayusan, at magbibigay ng inspirasyon para mas ligtas ang komunidad. Ngunit tandaan, kahit ang pinakamaliwanag na kandila ay nangangailangan ng iba pang liwanag upang magtagal. Ang okasyong ito ay paalala rin sa pagkakaisa. Sama-sama ang inyong liwanag ay mas titibay. Bilang isang grupo, isang propesyon, at mga leader na hinaharap, kayo ay magdadala ng mas maliwanag na bukas para sa ating lahat. Ngayong araw, habang sisinhan niyo mamaya ang inyong mga kandila, itaas ninyo ang mga ito ng may buong puso at pagmamalaki. Hayaan ninyong maging simbolo ito ng inyong pangako na maglingkod, magpakatapat, at magtaguyod ng katarungan. Sa ngalan ng lungsod ng Malabon, pinagmamalaki namin kayo. Kayo ang aming pag-asa, ang liwanag na dala ninyo, ang siyang magbibigay gabay tungo sa mas maliwalas na kinabukasan. Muli, binabati ko kayo lahat ng mag-aaral ng kriminolohiya, and let me take this time to congratulate the College of Criminology for having one of the highest passing averages sa buong Metro Manila at sa buong Pilipinas. Kinikilala na tayo ngayon na isa sa pinakamagaling na eskwelahan sa kriminolohiya at isa rin sa pinakamaraming passers sa Napolcom. I congratulate each and one of you. I congratulate the faculty, the dean, and of course, our president, Dr. Len Leon, and Mayor Chini Sandoval for doing a good job and making sure that all our students that are scholars of the city are properly supported. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat.
Again, thank you so much po, Congressman Federico Ricky Sandoval. And let's proceed to our pinning ceremony. Okay.
And continue. Deraco Roche. Diaz Miguel Andro. and Diaz Star Nicole.
Next, may I call Bilyage Wallen, Dr. John Wency, and Domingo Christopher.
Next is Florentino Risha Diana, Flores Ralph, and Francisco John Andre.
Okay, next po tayo. Frijoles Francis, Gabriola Daril, and Gakad Renebe. Garcia Abner.
Next is Garcia Dandy, Pelito Colin, Gumakon Jessie Boy, and Jockson Alan.
Okay po, next, Gilahan Lawrence, Gonzales Angela, and Hapak Joyce.
Next is Herrera Christine Joy, Herrera Merced, and Ibarra Manuel.
Okay, next po tayo, Ilut Nilo, Haranilia Paulo Rave, and Julian Thomas James.
Next, Laksamana Chris, Layong Rafaela, and Lazarte Jerome.
Okay, next, Leah Bianca, Luchavez Brent, and Marahas Ryan.
Next, Marquez Harold Dave, Marquez John Mark, and Martinez Casey. Matogina Angelo Primo.
Next tayo, Menjoro Patricia, Mercado Faith, and Miguel Christine Angelo.
Next, Miradora Jason, Moraca Shelo, and Morales Restituto.
Next, Moron Alan James, Nepalis John Lloyd, and Niegas Redmore. Okay po. We have photo opportunity po muna with our Congressman Ricky Salvador. So, Sandoval, I'm sorry. So, sama po tayo dito sa gitna. Lahat po nang nakapwesto dito with our officials.
Photo ops po muna tayo.
Yes po. Tayo po tayong lahat, parents and fourth year. Join po tayo sa ating photo opportunity. Make sure po nakita kayo. Finger heart. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po, Congressman Federico Ricky Sandoval.
And to continue, may we call on Opilas JV, Orlando Jessie and Paul Pascual.
Next, Peñaujas Christian Faith, Pineda Mark Henry, and Pineda John Patrick.
And before we continue, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our sitting mayor, Honorable Mayor Jeannie N. Sandoval. Good morning po.
Let's stand up. Again, welcome Honorable Mayor Jenny N. Sandoval to deliver her inspirational message. May our call on the very hardworking,
We will now continue the pinning ceremony. May we call on Peñaujas Christian Faith, Puod Joven, Ramirez Mariel, and Remoliena Paul Justin.
Next, Rivera Harriet, Rivera Aliana, and Roberto Kimber.
Next, Rufino Johnny, Salas Zaldi Jr., and Santayan Anthony.
Next, Semiliano Jose Nicole, Senior Jeremiah Shan, Soronio Leia Andrea, Sumile Justin, and Tuwason Jericho.
Next, Valerio Gerald Christian, Ventura Biel, Villa Esther Nicole, Villaluna Lea, Villar Christian, Yong Ray, and Yu Moises John.
Congratulations and thank you po sa inyong lahat. Now, upo po tayo maayos.
And to continue, as we conclude the pinning ceremony, we are reminded of the weighty responsibility that our students will now shoulder. They are entrusted with safeguarding our communities, upholding justice, and ensuring the safety and well-being of all citizens.
And, syempre, isa sa ating pong pinakahihintay, to deliver her inspirational message, may I call on the very hardworking, very supportive, and the first woman mayor of the city of Malabon. Please, all welcome our very own Honorable Mayor, Jeannie N. Sandoval.
Magsiupo po tayo. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Kay Dr. Glenn De Leon, ang ating University President, Dr. William Enrique, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Francis Medlin Martesio, Dean of CCJE. Sa ating pong konsehal, Leslie Ambao, Konsehal Jerry Bernardo, Dr. Ali Agustin, sa lahat po ng mga students ng criminology, sa lahat ng ating mga parents. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Nais ko ipahayag ang aking taus-pusong pasasalamat sa College of Criminal Justice Education ng City of Malabon University sa imbitasyon na maging bahagi sa mahalagang araw na ito. Ang araw na ito ay isang matatanging okasyon na nagmamarka sa panibagong yugto sa buhay ng ating mga fourth-year criminology students. Ang pinning and candlelighting ceremony ay hindi lamang isang tradisyon. Ito rin ay simbolo ng dedikasyon, prinsipyo at pagsusumikap ng bawat mag-aaral na narito ngayon. Sa pagsusuot ng pin, ipinapakita nyo ang inyong panata na sundin ng mga etika at adhikain ng criminology profession. Ang seremonya ng pagsisindi ng kandila sa kabilang banda ay sumisimbolo sa inyong kaliwanagan at kahandaang magsilbing liwanag sa landas ng hustisya. Sa ating mga mag-aaral, ang inyong tagumpay ay hindi lamang bunga ng inyong pagsisikap, kundi pati na rin ng pagmamahal at suporta ng inyong pamilya, mga kaibigan at guro. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga magulang at guro na naging bahagi ng inyong paglalakbay. Sa inyong pagtahak sa propesyon ng criminology, nais ko kayong hikayatin na laging tandaan ang inyong tungkulin bilang tagapagtaguyod ng hustisya at kapayapaan. Ang inyong karera ay hindi lamang trabaho, kundi isang bokasyon upang maglingkod at magbigay ng pag-asa sa ating komunidad. Muli, binabati ko kayo sa inyong mga tagumpay. Sana ay magsilbing inspirasyon ang araw na ito sa mas marami pang tao na nais maglingkod sa larangan ng criminology. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang College of Criminal Justice Education. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, Honorable Mayor Jeannie N. Sandoval, for your very inspiring messages.
Now, we move to the candle lighting ceremony, a symbolic act that signifies the beginning of their journey as professionals. Each candle represents the light of hope, knowledge, and courage that they will carry with them as they serve our nation. May we request our students to please rise.
Now, as you light your candle, visualize the positive impact you will have on the lives of others. Let your light shine bright, guiding you towards a brighter future for all. May this candle be a beacon of hope, illuminating your path as you strive to create a more just and equitable world.
May we request the parents and relatives of our students to please stand.
And now, let the flame of your candle represent the unwavering hope you bring to the fight for justice. Your light represents the potential for positive change. May it inspire you and others to work towards a better tomorrow. This candle represents the culmination of years of hard work and dedication. May it serve as a reminder of your accomplishments and inspire you to continue striving for excellence. Let the light of this candle symbolize the inner strength and resilience you have shown throughout your studies. May it continue to empower you in your future endeavors, and remember the people who have supported you along the way. Let this time be a symbol of gratitude and appreciation. Let's put hand in hand in one candle. And let's grab the front of your chin Then sabay-sabay po natin ihiba ng ating mga candle in 3, 2, 1, blow the candle. Congratulations for your students. Okay. As we draw to a close, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to our graduating students of the Bachelor of Science in Criminology program. You have achieved a remarkable milestone, and we are incredibly proud of your dedication and accomplishments.
To formally close our program, this morning, may I call on the Dean of the College of Criminal Justice Education, Dr. Frances Medlin Martesio, for her closing remarks.
Good morning to everyone, to our graduating students, batch class Masidla. And also to the parents and guardians of our graduating students, good morning. And also, I would like to extend my heartfelt thank you to our Honorable Mayor Jeannie Sandoval for the untiring support for the City of Malabon University. And also to our university officials, Dr. Glenn Dividiliot, our university president, our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. William Enrique, and also our University Secretary, Dr. Ali V. Agustin. Once again, good morning. As we reach the end of this beautiful and meaningful ceremony, I want to take a moment to reflect on the journey that our graduating criminology students have taken. Gagraduate ba ang lahat? This morning, we witnessed the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. You have all faced challenges, pushed yourselves beyond your limits, and emerged as confident, knowledgeable, and prepared professionals. The pinning ceremony symbolized the commitment you have made to uphold the highest standards of ethics and integrity in your chosen profession. You have now been entrusted with a responsibility to serve and protect our communities, to uphold justice, and to make a positive impact on the lives of others. The candle lighting ceremony, on the other hand, embodied the hope and inspiration you bring to the world. The flame you lit this morning represents the light you will shine as you navigate the challenges and fulfill the responsibilities of your careers. To our graduating class, Class Masidla, congratulations. You have made us all incredibly proud. We are confident that you will go on to achieve great things and make a real difference in the world. As you embark on this new chapter, remember the lessons you have learned, the values you have embraced, and the commitment you have made to serving and protecting our communities. Remember, you are not alone. The faculty and staff, the university officials, and also the College of Criminal Justice Education will always be here to support you. And your fellow graduating students will be your partners in this journey. This morning, as you leave this ceremony, carry with your warmth of the candles and the pride of your accomplishments and the unwavering support of your families. Thank you so much po. Friends, and the faculty members of the College of Criminal Justice Education, go forth, graduates, and make us proud. Thank you, and God bless to everyone.
Thank you, Dr. Marticio. And before we end our program, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And we are confident that you will make a positive impact on the field of criminal justice. Remember the values that you have learned at the City of Malabon University College of Criminal Justice Education: integrity, professionalism, compassion, and service.
Thank you to our esteemed guests, faculty, staff, family, and friends for joining us this morning in celebrating the achievements of our graduating students. We invite everyone to join us in singing the City of Malabon University hymn. Tayo pong lahat ay tumayo. Again, thank you so much and God bless to everyone. Off po tayo ulit. Yan, pupunta po dyan natin mga officials and the mayor. Tayo po tayo. Remain standing para po sa ating photo opportunity.
Marami ang pagsubok ang ating nalagpasan. Magkakaroon ito basta nagtutulungan. Sama-sama, kapit-kapit kamay, walang maiiwan sa pagmulan. Malayo sa aming may kapal, patiwala sa ating kakayanan. Tagumpayan sa tagumpay natin na tayo ay makinig, Malabon ay ating iangat.
Fourth year students, pasino po na ating mga masulat para pwede natin iwanan natin ang petseta ng
Baby, tara, hawakan mo. Dito na. Kani-kanina lamang ho ay sinimulan ng ating Vice President for Academic Affairs ang programa ang pagsisimula ng ating programa na si Dr. William Enrique. Kasabay ng ating pagbubukas ng programa ay agad-agad na rin naman umakyat at pumila ang ating mga estudyante para simulan ang opisyal na pagbubukas at pagsabit ng PIN ay opisyal na pagdikit ng PIN kasama ang kanilang magulang na hudya ng kanilang liwanag sa kanilang tatahaking landas sa hinaharap. Bukod sa mga university presidents at city councilors, dumalo rin sa ating programa si Mayor Jeannie Sandoval, pati ang kanyang asawa na si Congressman Ricky Sandoval upang magbigay ng isang inspirational message. Ang pagsabit at pagdikit ng ganitong PIN at ang mga pagbibigay ng ganitong programa ay nagbibigay ng hudya. Kanila lamang din ay sinindihan nila ang kanilang mga kandila na sumisimbolo sa liwanag sa kanilang tatahaking karera sa hinaharap. Sabi ko, idikit mo lang huwag mo pakinggan si Kanyo. Nawawala ka rin po. So, isa po sa mga nakakuha po ng PIN natin po. I-interview po namin. Ma'am, ano po pangalan niyo po, ma'am?
I am Rafaela P. Layong po.
So, yun po. Ma'am, paano mga ganitong ceremony ay nakaka-apekto sa identity? Nakaka-apekto sa identity mo bilang isang buhay sa ginagawa?
As a CRIM student po, nakaka-apekto po ito sa amin. Kasi po, first time din po itong maganap as a CRIM student na natuloy po. And then, masaya po kaming mga fourth year na naka-experience nito and na-motivate po kami kung ano yung mangyayari in the next future po, ma'am. Kaya sa mga ganitong mga programa by Doc Martesio, marami pong estudyante ang nagiging masaya po, ma'am. Kaya, go po kay Dean Martesio.
Last question. Paano kayo nakaka ng ceremony dito sa pagharap sa mga challenges mo in this profession as a criminology student?
Yes po, bali, itong pong tawag nito, ceremony is nakakaano siya sa next in the future kasi namomotivate po kami na gandahan pa po, palakasan po namin yung katawan namin and with your mindset po namin para in the future po, makamit po namin kung ano po yung gusto namin. Yun lang po. Thank you po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po. At ito naman po ay kasunod naman po ay makakapanayam natin ang isa sa mga estudyante kasama ang kanyang mga magulang. Nay, good afternoon po. Ano po, ma'am? Ma'am, ang tanong ko lang po, ma'am, is ano po yung pakiramdam na nandito po kayo sa official na pagbubukas po ng internship or on-the-job training ng inyong anak at sinabitan nyo po or dinikitan nyo po ng isang pin na sumisimbolo sa liwanag ng kanyang tataking landas po, ma'am?
Okay. Siyempre, unang-una proud din dahil magpe-paid off na lahat ng hirap namin. Tapos, konting push na lang. Eto na, magsisimula na uli ng bagong journey niya na mas seryoso na. Kasi, syempre, ng mga ilang taon na nahirapan siya, napagod siya, kahit pa paano, ginabayan ko talaga siya hanggang sa, eto na nga, matatapos na. Konting-konti na lang.
Maraming salamat po, Nay. At congratulations po sa inyong anak po. So, yun po. Samantala, ipinapakita ng mga ganitong programa ng ating pamantasan ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng sapat na kaalaman at kasanayan sa ating kasanayan sa kanilang tatahaking mga landas. Okay? At sa atin naman po, sunod na mapapanayan po ang ating College Dean ng Criminal Justice and Education, si Dean Marticio po. Hello po, good morning po, Dean.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Dean, ano po yung kahalagahan at sinisimbolo ng pining na ito para sa mga criminology student na sasabak sa kanilang internship?
Okay. First of all, I would like to say thank you to our Honorable Mayor Jeannie Sandoval for the untiring support for the City of Malabon University. Talagang mga ating mayora ay talagang binibigay yung kanyang 100 support para sa edukasyon ng bawat estudyante na tinatawag nating mga scholar. With regards to our pinning and candle lighting ceremony naman, sumisimbolo to sa integridad, commitment, at hard work ng bawat criminology student na mag-undergo na on-the-job training. Dito sa okasyong ito, dito rin makikita yung unity ng bawat estudyante ng ating mga BS criminology students.
So, Dean Marticio, ano po, last question po is, ano po ang mga plano ng CCJE Department sa mga estudyante upang masuporta ng professional na pag-unlad ng mga students sa hinaharap?
Okay. For the plans of the College of Criminal Justice Education, we will be having our review class for our 4th year BS Criminology. So, doon pa lang sa review class na mangyayari na yon, talagang doon na makikita, doon na mahahasa, at doon na mahuhubog unti-unti ang ating mga graduating students para sa kahandaan at preparasyon nito sa darating na board examinations. And talagang ang College of Criminal Justice Education ay buo ang suporta sa bawat estudyante na makukuha ng board exam. And nakakatuwa at kami ay proud na sabihin na ang College of Criminal Justice Education, ang mga graduates nito ay talagang nag-e-excel and kumukuha kami ng above national passing percentage when it comes to licensure examination for criminologists.
Maraming salamat po, Dean Marticio, Lieutenant College Dean of Criminal Justice and Education po. Thank you po, ma'am. Thank you po. Ayun, ang mga ganitong programa ay pagkakaroon po ng isang hudyat, liwanag sa mga criminology students na nagbibigay po ng ilaw sa landas na kanilang tatahakin sa hinaharap. Para po sa CMU iConnect, ako po si Christian Tatel, konektado para sa kabataang Malabueño.